Most people think their money problems are about numbers, not enough income, too many bills. But if that were true, everyone who made more money would be fine. And we know that's not how it works. The real problem is usually invisible. It's not what you're spending. It's how you're thinking about money without even realizing it. These habits don't look reckless, they look responsible, they look normal. And that's exactly why they're costing you. And you're probably doing at least 3 of these right now. So let's break them down. You're not broke because you're irresponsible. You're broke because no one ever showed you how money actually works. So you do what feels right. You pay your bills, you try to save, and you avoid debt when you can. And somehow, you still get stuck. That cycle right there is what we're breaking today. Because this isn't just about money, it's about time. Every year you stay in that cycle is time you can't get back. Time you could have been building freedom. So let's fix what's actually causing it. So the problem most people have is an avoidance problem. They don't check their accounts. They don't look closely at what they're spending because it's uncomfortable. But what you avoid, you lose control over. Quick question. When was the last time you looked at your numbers on purpose? That's where control starts. Next, everything tends to go into one account. Your paycheck, your bills, spending, everything is mixed together because it feels simple. But this creates chaos because now you don't know what safe to spend. So you rely on your balance. And your balance lies to you. You don't really know what's really there. Most people save like this. Whatever is left, I'll save. It sounds responsible. There's one problem. There's never anything left. Let me show you what this looks like. You make $4,000 a month, rent is $1,500, bills are $800, food, gas, extra spending, that's another $1,400. That leaves you with $300. And that $300, it just disappears because it was never assigned a job. So saving just becomes whatever survives your spending. And that's backwards. You have to save first, and then you spend what's left. That one shift changes everything. Most people think they need more discipline, but willpower doesn't scale. Some days you're focused, some days you're not. And your finances shouldn't depend on your mood. This is where the system wins. Automation removes all those decisions. And fewer decisions means fewer mistakes. You get a raise and your life upgrades with it. A better place, a better car, more spending. So your income goes up, but your progress doesn't. It never feels like enough because your standard keeps moving up. More money doesn't fix bad habits, it exposes them. This one feels extra responsible. You're making your payments, you're staying current, so you think you're handling it. But what's actually happening is you're renting your debt. Month after month, you're paying just enough to keep it alive. The interest keeps stacking, balances barely move, and years go by without anything changing. Most people don't think about taxes until it's time to pay them. By then, it's already a problem. Even if you have a regular job, things like bonuses, side income, even selling things online, anything outside your paycheck can create a tax bill you're not ready for because no one is setting that money aside for you. Look at these habits. None of them feel extreme. No big mistakes. No reckless decisions. But together, they keep you stuck. Here's the shift most people need to hear. You don't need more money. You need better systems. Because small changes done consistently compound into real wealth. If this made you rethink how to handle your money, watch this next. The true reason you're not building wealth isn't your income. The fix starts with how your money is structured. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set that up. And once you see it, everything will start to click. I'll see you in the next one.